Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si JR Lopez Gonzales ng Bohemia Manila Glass. We are the only seller of Bohemian glass in the Philippines, and we are so proud of that. So after 30 years of experience of distributing Bohemian glass in Japan, finally we're bringing our products to you. And the first product na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo ang ating sake set collection, 5 piraso sa isang affordable price. So, before we talk about price, let me show to you first the value of our product. Galing po ito ng Czech Republic, all imported, 100% handmade, hindi gawa ng kahit anumang makina. So, we have craftsmen doing this for you. So, what can we expect from a package from Bohemia Manila Glass? So, ito po, itong ating tinatawag na wooden box, of course, from Japan. At hindi man ganun kaklaro, makikita nyo actually dito ang logo ng Egerman Company. So this is our manufacturer ng Bohemia Glass sa Novibor, north of Czech Republic. So anong pwede natin makita? So this is an unboxing video. So first, you will be seeing 2 of our information cards dito. So this one is written in Japanese because katulad nga ng sinabi ko, our main supplier is from Japan, so this one. And then you will also receive a kind of card, a thank you card. So it says here, you have become the possessor of a unique product from Egerman. So ang aming kumpanya, since 1860s pa. Ayan. Okay, so let's get right into the actual product. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo ano ang nilalaman ng 5 piraso ng aming set collection. So first here, okay, let's just put that to the side. So ito, ang unang set, part ng set namin, isang sake set na ito. So hopefully, I hope the video is making any justice sa intricacy and details ng ating craftsmanship dito sa Bohemia Manila Glass. So nag-range po ang volume from 60 milliliters to 100 milliliters. Dahil 5 na piraso ang ating mga sake pieces. Next one, ito ang isa sa mga paborito ko. So meron siyang intricate design ng flowers and plant design. At para sa akin, ang surprising is kind of church design in the middle here. Ayan. So meron din siyang mga nature designs like sparrow dito. So napaka-intricate ng Bohemian Glass na ito. So it's like a masterpiece that you can hold in your hand. So ito naman ang tallest na piece na we have here. So ito po ang design niya, flower design in the middle. I hope you can see it. So this is around 3.54 inches. 3.54. There you go. And the 2 little ones here, papakita ko din sa inyo. This one, okay, color nito is black, but engraved yung sa gilid niya. And like what I said, no piece is the same, everything is unique dahil each one is individually handcrafted. Ayan. Okay? And finally, the last one we have here, this is my favorite actually. So makikita nyo dito ang flower design sa gilid. Ayan. And then at the side, makikita nyo yung iba't ibang mga intricate na engravings din dito. Alright, let's go! So, eto po ang atin pong 5 peraso ng ating sake set collection. Dito lamang po ino-offer sa Pilipinas exclusively from Bohemia Manila Glass. So, 5 peraso po yan. It is inside a very safe, it's well protected, well packaged na Japanese wooden box. This is from Egerman Company. So yan po, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Isa po lang yan sa ating mga produkto dito sa Bohemia Manila Glass. Thank you so much for watching and please stay tuned for other videos from Bohemia Manila Glass. My name is JR Lopez Gonzales, the owner of Bohemia Manila Glass. Thank you so much. Paalam. Bye-bye. Peace.